This is not PS. This is the true beauty of the motherland. Look at the scenery. This is not Switzerland. It is the long, long town of Ganoderma Lucida. Some say he used to be a place where the gods lived. Haha. He has blue sky and white clouds within reach. There are lazy cattle, sheep, and ponies. There are soft and delicate green meadows. There are also snow-capped mountains in the distance that echo your mailbox. At an average altitude of 3 kilometers, don't worry about high reaction at all. You can have fun again. Horseback riding. Archery me. I'm hungry, I made a mistake, come again. Archery. This place can satisfy all your fantasies. Don't forget to try the thick sack after sprinkling. The smartest stone pot chicken. It is said that the stone pot is made of special stone. Does not contain trace elements. There is no nutrition. When the special stone pot meets the rich ingredients, the aroma of chicken will be most excited. The new stone pot chicken is definitely worth the pre-sale. Walking through the streets of a small town, feel the softness of the misty rain in the south of the Yangtze River. Poetic gallop on the grassland. Experience the heroic and magnificent perseverance. Here you will lose track of time. Forget the sadness. Forget South Road. Forget the way home. Indulge in the landscape. Hard travel outside the city. Me at this moment, I'm in the front room of my dreams.